This is what I talk about. Nature. Those birds are just taken off a little bit ago. They're black and white with black wings. And they're just chilling with the geese like, yo, we could coexist. If only people could coexist like this, that'd be crazy. You know, just kicking it. And there's a random fucking mob of fucking geese just chilling on the field. They hardly chill on this field, but when they do, they just kick back. That's what I love about living out here. It's full of random nature and random moments like this. Some Nat Geo type stuff. That's wild.